Welcome to our English class. Children, we all have learnt about various words forming with letter I. The phonic sound of I says E. You remember this? Very good, children. We have learned so many words like babe, nib, rib, king, sing, isn't it? If you remember them, yeah? Today, we will use these words. We will use these words in short phrases. So, are we ready for that? Good. Let's go ahead. Let us read aloud. In the first picture, what you can see, there is a pen. Yes, so let's read. A pen has a nib. A pen has a nib. You all know E vowel sound words. So it's very easy for all of us to read that. Let's look at the another picture. It says T-I-L. It says this. T-H-I-S is this is a bib. This is a bib. Now, let's look at the another picture. Let's look more down. There is a tin and a bin. So, let's read it together. A tin. A tin. A-N-D says and. Another. Here, is little short. And. A tin and a bin. A tin and a bin. Let's see what is there. It is a pin. IT says it word. It is a pin. It is a pin. Oh, wow, look at this cute kid. Let's read it. H-N-E says he. He is a kid. He is a kid. He is a kid. Now, let's read little bigger. A sentence. T-H-E says the. Now, let's break it. R-A-B says rap. And B-I-T says b-it. Bit. Rabbit. Everyone say it with me. Rabbit. The rabbit likes. 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 L-I-K-E-S. Likes. Remember the phonic sound of balls. So then you will able to read it very quickly and easily. The rabbit likes. T-O says to. To. Sing. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. So let's read it together. The rabbit likes to sing. See, so easy these all sentences and phrases are to read, isn't it? Now, in the next class, I will teach you how to read the sentences. Keep on practicing by reading it again and again. Time for me to say